This morning I'm testing a Swift air rifle silencer. The end cap unscrews, easy to get at inside for the baffles to clean, change them if need be. This particular one is a 1/2 inch UNF fitting to screw onto the barrel. It's nicely made out of aluminium. After testing many air rifle silencers, I've decided I'm going to use these for a while. And I've been using it, but it's left me wondering, is there anything better? I've recently got another 2 silencers, so I thought I'd give them a try. This one is quite long, but it's about the same diameter. I haven't had a chance to look at it much, but the main outer tube there is carbon fibre. It's nice, lightweight, it looks nice, although I'm not particularly bothered with looks. And I thought I'd give it a try and compare against the Swift. I've also got another silencer recently. This one again is aluminium. Heavy compared, there are some steel baffles inside. The baffle arrangement is not unlike a Logan QGS or the Wyrock. There are differences, but it's close enough to say it's similar. What I'm going to do is quite simply do 2 shots with each silencer. First of all, I shall do 2 shots with the Swift, then the short stubby one, then the carbon fibre one. I shall do it in that order. The Swift, the short stubby one, and then the carbon fibre silencer. I shall place the camcorder just a few yards to the one side, so you've got a side on view and you can hear from about 4 or 5 yards away to see what it's like. After that, I shall move the camcorder about 25 yards away and I shall shoot with the Swift first of all 2 shots towards the camcorder, then 2 shots with the short stubby one towards the camcorder, and finally 2 shots with the carbon fibre silencer towards the camcorder. The target I'm shooting at is about 20 yards away, well, will be 20 yards away, so you'll get an idea of close up and at some distance what each silencer sounds like. Well, I don't know what you thought was the best, either the Swift, the short stubby one, or the carbon fibre one. To my ears they sounded fairly well equal. Slight change in tone, note of the sound a bit, but all three of them sounded quite quiet, either close up and looking at the film at some distance away. Not much really in it. I still prefer the Swift. I shall carry on using it, and I shall further test these other two off camera just to see how I get on with them. One thing I did notice, and it confirmed it to me, I've always thought this, but if you're shooting at a target and the pellet or the bullet travels at less than the speed of sound, when you fire the gun, regardless of the silencer used, when you fire the gun, if the sound of the gun gets to the rabbit or the magpie, whatever you're shooting at, if the sound gets to them quicker than the pellet or bullet, they're going to move, they're going to try and escape. I clearly heard the gun going off, then the pellet strike. No silencer was in particular guilty of allowing sound out before the strike, but if you listen carefully, you can hear the gun going off and then the pellet striking the target. So to me, that confirms a silencer is a very handy, you could almost say essential part of your shooting kit.